Welcome to Free Arts Academy, where art is for everyone. For the best in free art education, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell to be notified when we post a video each Wednesday. Welcome back to the 7th installment of Essential Art Terms. Today we get into 3 dimensions with a dive into space, mass, and volume. These are the building blocks to being the best artist you can be. Volume is a shape in 3 dimensions. The 3 dimensions are height, width, and depth, which are given to a shape by manipulating line, color, and texture. Let's define mass. In our essential art realm, mass is best described as a solid body or a grouping of visual elements. For example, line, color, and texture can all work together to compose a solid form, just like you can see here on these simple building blocks. The word space denotes the area within, around, above, or below an object or objects within the visual plane. Negative space is known as the area around the primary objects in a work of art. Positive space is a space occupied by the primary objects in a work of art. In the example of these boots, the positive space is taken up by the boots and negative space surrounds it. By now, we have covered lines, texture, perspective and foreshortening, proportion and scale, color, hue and color mixing, form and composition, and now space, mass, and volume. If any of these don't ring a bell, please review by following the links in the description below. You'll need all these tools to begin your path to being an artist. The next set of terms will help you define yourself as an artist, so don't miss out. Thanks for spending some time with us at Free Arts Academy, and see you next time. We're here to help you become the most creative and happiest version of yourself. Thanks for spending some time with us. Please subscribe and like this video to let us help you gain a free art education.